Evan, have her do it again.
Don't do it again, Maya. Oh, she caught herself a little bit.
Maya, do you love your daddy?
Don't do it again.
Do it again, Maya.
Don't do it again. This is a great habit for She's showing off for you guys.
This morning seems to relate. I don't know.
Don't do it again, Maya.
She like bites and pulls and shreds.
She's a carnivore. Carnivore. She's learning from Keto and Lizzie.
This outfit is blowing my mind right now.
You guys, I'll be here every night, 9 p.m. I'm just here, just shredding my daddy's arm.
Issa's old leggings.
Oh.
Maya, get him! Maya, get him! Oh, good one.
She totally left a little bite mark on me.
It's a good thing Issa is in a way.
All right.
Cutting.
Show's over.